Alright, welcome to What the Heck Are You Doing This Weekend? No, your eyes aren't deceiving you. It's snowing out. We got blue sky there, and the snow coming in. It snowed yesterday, but I want to show you real quick what we're doing this weekend. I dug up the forsythia ground and put more fertilization. I put Miracle Grow down in there. So that's what I did. I also went over here and put some more nutrients in the ground. Miracle Grow, same here. I'm doing something new. I don't know if I talked about this the last What the Heck Did You Do This Weekend. I notched out the wood, and I'm basically just saying, you know what? I need you to spread out that way, because the whole point of this tree was not just for fruit, but to block between the houses. This guy's just about ready to fall off. So at any rate, yeah, I thought I better go run get my phone to show you that, yeah, this is crazy. It's snowing. Now, it's just heavy type stuff like this. I apologize for shaking a lot. So we also started to I guess most of the fence. My new neighbors are quite happy to see this go. So you can see down the line, the fence is mostly gone. We'll see that out front. Still got to take this out, but there's only so much I can do on a weekend. So I have to come in here and also, of course, rake all that stuff out and dig out those trees. Not to be mistaken with these guys, the Rose of Sharon's. We planted those through the years to try to get a nice privacy fence for this very reason, that we don't really need a fence. Depends on what kind of neighbors you have, right? Well, my new neighbors are awesome. Guyanese family. Alright, so that's what we're doing. See if we can get more of that snow. It's crazy. So I am doing all kinds of odd jobs today. So I picked up this natural cedar mulch blend. It's wife approved, meaning she reads things and makes sure that we're not putting chemicals where they need to be. One can argue that the Miracle Grow is not the best. As a matter of fact, some of that stuff causes cancer. How they can get away with that, I don't know. You think in regulatory compliance they would just really hammer down. Their argument is going to be, oh, it's only .0. Forget about it. Ingredients, and it's at such a low level, it's not really a problem until people die years later. Don't mean to make my What the Heck Did You Do this Saturday morbid. Yeah, so this is the stuff that we're not going to put it in fruit, vegetables we're going to actually eat. Some folks use this as a starter. Garden soil, vegetable, herbs, whatever. Made with compost, but what else are you putting in there? Okay, so, yeah, here's the fence. I don't know how long it's been there, but it's been there long enough to grow into a tree. You see that? Got some of it wrapped up. Got these guys bundled up for the Monday. Apparently my new neighbor up the street doesn't understand you don't put your recycle out on a windy day, not alone on a Friday evening when it's Monday is your trash day. That's the second time that's happened. Okay, it is cold out here, my friends. So what I also did is I got dirt, just good old dirt for $2.10 a bag, and I'm just slowly but surely just putting it into places that look at the snow. I don't know if I could actually see what I'm videoing here. Oops, a little too bright. Yeah, look at that. That's great. So what I'm doing through time with the rock garden over here, which is really a retaining wall, is I slowly but surely get more dirt. I'm not buying dirt to put under it. I started to do that and like, no, let's just go in the back and get the old pickaxe out and get some of that nasty clay type dirt, because it'd be better support under there anyways. So over time I lift the rocks, put dirt in, lift the rocks, put dirt in, right? So pretty soon it'll be several inches higher than where it was. But you can only imagine through the years all the erosion. So slowly but surely I'll get my front yard back. My little city plot, my little humble city plot. So yeah, we put the dirt over here. Then we're going to get that mulch, and we're going to put the mulch. And last weekend, my lovely one was out doing some more weeding here. Here's this mulch here, so I'm going to put a lot of mulch here, so it's going to look consistent and more fluent. What a word you'd like to use. All right, my right hand is freezing. I was hoping that this was going to be a thing. I was hoping so much that these were going to pop. And unfortunately, it's so cold enough to snow, my friends. And I don't have my glasses on. I hope this is coming out okay. Yeah, if we had that warm weather, these would have popped probably a week ago. But there you go. I just hope that snow is not ruining all the beauty that we work so hard for. But there you go. Once again, if you watch the very first "What the heck are you doing this weekend?" or "What the heck did you do this weekend?" you're going to know that each week you're going to see something different. So I put these braces in. These guys are really taking off, of course. And sooner or later, those flowers are going to pop. Let's come over here and see if we can see some. So you can see here. Soon we're going to get flowers. See if we can catch some of that snow experience. Unbelievable. I mean, it was 70 degrees within a week or two or so ago. I'm losing track, my friends. All I know is it got real warm. These last couple of months, let's see, January, February, March, April and May have been ridiculous. Look at the snow. Picked these up from up the street. And I'm gonna hopefully hang them here, up here, so I can have some privacy in the morning time when I have my cup of coffee, or in the evening. I have at least one area of the porch I can come until everything fills in, and I'm not totally filled in, you know. So we got the Rose of Sharon here. You may know, if you haven't seen my videos before, then you wouldn't know this, but forgive me, the y'all who already know all this. Then we have all this grown there to retain the ground. Rose of Sharon here, so if I'm sitting here on my porch, sooner or later that's going to fill in, and we'll have that privacy. So hopefully you're enjoying this snow. Usually when you see in the warmer weather this type of snow, beware, because there's a tornado coming, you know. Wow, my right hand is really cold. Sorry for the shaking, folks. So I think I covered what's going on this weekend so far. I'm really all over the place. I feel like I forgot something to tell you. But I don't know if we talked about getting the new lights. These are awesome. Nothing new there. I'm a little disappointed that these guys, specifically these spots, aren't really that bright. They were a end cap at Lowe's, so I picked them up. But I have them pointed at these various bushes, and when you're coming down the road at nighttime or walking, it's really pretty. I'm gonna have to back them off as things continue to grow, move them around, but it's really pretty. If I can remember, I'll do a video in the evening what that looks like. All right, let's see here. Of course, I mowed the lawns, the front lawn. Let's go back here. I think it's time to go get a nice cup of coffee. Warm up a little bit. I had to run. You're probably not going to be able to hear this. Let's try to get on the porch here. Oh my goodness. I can't win today. What was I going to say? I had to come in about 3-4 times to warm my hands up, by the way. Yeah, we've been getting some 30 mile an hour, I would argue 50 mile an hour gusts. Once again, I hope you can hear this because the wind tends to really mess with the audio. So there we go. Things are looking good. Oh, I did move some grass from the front. I have lots of seed, grass seed that I'm going to be putting down. But that's the lovely thing about this dirt that you can get for $2.10 a bag. You can put that down and put your grass seed in there. But in the meantime, I've been doing it this way. I've been migrating. All this grass here has been pulled from the front yard. Okay, all of this, and some of this over in here. So I still have a lot of work to do. I got to get rid of this pile, cut that up, take it to the recovery center downtown, and that'll be that. It's considered construction, so there you go. Forsythia has been damaged from the wind. It is what it is. I'm just not happy about it, you know, but it's getting damaged. I still have to cut all that stuff up. Oop, this is not, this is considered construction. I'm going to be putting that other stuff in a bag, the leaf bags. Why don't we come inside the poly shed? We'll show you some of the new plants we got. Plus I can warm up. That being said, the sun is gone. Hopefully it'll come back so it'll warm up in here. You can see it's 50 degrees in here. In the poly shed, and the poly shed is awesome. So several years ago, I don't know how many, but I look up that video on Issy Custom Designs on YouTube channel. We made this thing here. It used to be all pallets, like all pallets, and it was just a big square out here, squarish. And my pastors, or pastor and some parishioners, came up with the idea to make this. That's what my pastor did, and some parishioners came over. It's vulnerable though, you know, this corrugated plastic. You can see there. I had to tape it in there because, well, you know, branches fall down. Look at that snow. It's like unbelievable, isn't it? Oh, I think I see the sun coming out now. At any rate, yeah, we brought our our Hoibjin. Okay, rosemary, what is this called? I am so cold I can't even think. But look, the sun's going to be coming out. Let's go out and try to catch that snow in the sun. It's crazy weather, isn't it? This is something else. But that's the beauty of the poly shed. So we got more flowers in there that we'll be planting. I think she wants them out front. Yeah, sun's coming out. Sure hope you can see in this. It's really cool. Yeah, God's creation and plants, pretty resilient, I would say. Pretty resilient. Oh, I didn't shut the door. 60 degrees is going to turn into like 30 degrees if I don't pay attention. Mind you, that sun is going to heat that up nice. Yeah, what a concept. A poly shed in the back. Kayak is still there. All right. Good time to end, I suppose. The sun came out. What an amazing situation. All right. Let's go back out front because that's where I like to end my videos or start saying my goodbyes in the 5 languages. Shalom uvracha lechaverim sheli ba'aretz Yisrael. Kulam. Bye to my friends in Israel. That's Hebrew. Masalami. Arabic. Peace upon you. And goodbye. Tutsins. Some version of see you later in Afrikaans. Zaitzin. Goodbye. In Chinese, Mandarin to be specific. Mandarin. And used to know a lot of other languages. All right, let's go ahead and end. I think this is really appropriate to end here because look, when I started it, it was all dark and not blue, and now that blew over us. How many times can I use blue in the same sentence? Please continue to watch this. We're going to video all throughout the year. So that'll be really cool to rewind, go back to the first videos, and then into the autumn and that type of thing. But yep, thanks for watching. Bye-bye now. Stay safe out there. We're still not out of the woods with Corona. Not out yet. All right.